How did Chris Evans get cast as Captain America?
Luck. They wanted me to come in and read, and I was a little apprehensive. It was a back and forth. It was a little bit of a dance. It was something I was really nervous about doing, and luckily there were really good people in my corner who kept nudging me. Kevin Feige and Robert and a lot of great people kind of talked me into it, and it was the best decision of my life. I had to sneeze that whole answer, and it never came, so I'm sorry if it seemed like my head was somewhere else.
You want to sneeze now?
No, it's gone now.